Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you guys how to create this sunset inspired look. So if you like what you see, please stay tuned. So whatever I don't mention in the video, everything will be listed down below in the description box, so please feel free to look there. So I primed my hot eyes and everything with concealer, did my eyebrows, and I'm just going in with my 35B Morphe palette and taking this peachy shade. This is going to be our base, our transition shade for the other colors. So I'm just blending that using windshield wiper motion in the crease, and also do not worry about it looking neat because we're going to be adding more colors and we are also going to be cutting the crease. Next, going back into the palette, and I'm taking this orange shade, and that is going to be going on top of the peach. So I kind of want to create this, just like the sunset, create an ombre effect. You know how the sunsets are, where you see the yellow, the red, and the orange. So all those colors combined, I really want you to see in this look. So sometimes the camera doesn't really pick up all the colors, but hopefully it does. Hopefully you'll be able to see everything. And I also apologize with the mirror because I have vision problems, so yeah. So I'm going back into the palette and taking that yellow. I'm taking the yellow and just packing that on above the crease. Like I said, we do want to create an ombre effect, and we are going to be blending everything out. We're going to be blending everything out anyways, so yeah, don't worry about that. Just packing it on just so you could see the yellow. And going back into the palette and taking the red, and that is going to be going on top of the orange. I kind of want the red and the orange to kind of complement each other, even everything out, so you see all three. You see the yellow, you see the orange, and you see the red. So that's kind of like the ombre effect of how the sunset is. And like I said before, don't mind it being out of focus. I do have vision problems. I'm going to be getting contacts soon, so we won't have this problem anymore in next videos. So I'm just blending everything out with a denser blending brush. So honestly, please take your time with the blending because it does take time for it to, you know, everything to look seamless. And going back into the palette, I'm taking this yellow shimmery shade, and that is going to be used, I'm packing that underneath my brow bone. I am just blending everything out. And just packing some yellow so we don't lose that. So I'm just blending everything together so that it looks seamless, and you know, we got our ombre. Next, I'm just taking my concealer, my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I am just trying to cut the crease. I'm trying to make it a little bit higher because, you know, when you open up your eyes, so that you can actually see the glitter. I do have smaller shaped eyes, so it is kind of difficult whenever I do cut creases. So I try to make them higher so that you do see the bases and everything. So this is my 35R palette by Morphe, and I'm taking that gold foil shade and I'm just packing that on top of the concealer. And this is going to be a base for our glitter. So I'm just packing everything on, and I did not realize how blurry this was, but Hopefully you guys can still see what I'm doing. Next, I am just taking my glitter primer and this gold glitter. I don't remember the name, but of course it will be in the description box. But this glitter is from superglitters.com. These glitters are $1. So yeah, I have a lot of these. And you know, a little story. UPS knocked on my door while I was filming, which scared the crap out of me. So I spilled some of my glitter. So I was pissed. So I was gonna use a blue reel, but you know, I kind of said some inappropriate things due to my little anger issues. But yeah, you know, it wasn't a big deal. It didn't spill too much, but you know, I hate wasting product. And I didn't film this, but my lashes are from AliExpress, and I'm just winging my liner and putting on some mascara as well. And I didn't record I recorded it, but I accidentally deleted the footage of me putting on my foundation. So if you would like a more detailed foundation routine, plus highlight and contour, please feel free to let me know down in the comments below. I just felt like this part wasn't really necessary to explain because, you know, there's a lot of highlighting and contouring videos. And of course, we were going to be going back into the eyes, by the way. I also did not bake. One of these videos, I'm going to bake. You know, I just don't be going anywhere. So usually, the look will probably look a lot better if I baked, to be honest. But oh well, you guys can bake if you do that. So I'm just blending everything together with my foundation powder, and I'm just bronzing up my face with a darker shade of my contour palette. Like I said, everything will be down in the description. I'm just going in with this Sephora highlighter. I kind of went a little overboard with the highlighter, you know, everything with glitter and gold. I just like the glow, okay? So don't judge me. I do blend everything out a bit. So I'm going in with my black, ooh, excuse me, I had to burp. But going in with my black Radiance highlighter. I'm putting that on top of the previous highlighter. You know, just so, you know, the glow can stand out a bit more. And I went back into the 35B palette, and I mixed the orange and the red together and put that underneath my waterline just to pull the look together. And then I just went in with my Wet n Wild eyeliner and just, you know, did my lashes underneath my waterline. Next, I'm just going in with my Kylie Cosmetics True Bound K lip liner. This is my favorite lip liner, by the way. I love how it glides on so smoothly. Feels like butter on my lips. Anyways, I'm taking Sin by MAC. I kind of want to create an ombre effect just like the eyes, so I'm putting that on top of the liner. And then I'm going to be filling that in with Ruby Woo by MAC. And then of course on top of Ruby, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty, the Stunna lip paint, just to brighten it up a bit. So I'm just going back and forth with each colors just to make sure the, you know, bring out the ombre effect. And then of course I set my face with my Rosewater spray. And there you guys have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please feel free to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and please subscribe. It's all free, so I'd really appreciate that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys next time. Bye.